What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is DJ Saiger
And
and
infinite being.
yes, so we are super excited. We are back in Chiang Mai from Koh Samet trip
Happy,
and super excited to
happy.
show you guys this beautiful Monthathan waterfall. Today we have decided we'll ride all along the Doi Suthep into the deep jungle route and then come to this amazing relaxing Monthathan waterfall. So make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, keep watching Tiger. Love you all. Let's go to see the waterfall. So guys, we are hiking up the Monthathan waterfalls. It's just a mini one, so it's not that stressful. Definitely worth it, but